Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of white screen on your computer and you can see absolutely nothing and do absolutely nothing on your computer, then I'll guide you to the resolutions. So first of all, you need to hard reset your computer. And how will you hard reset your computer? Press the power button for 20 seconds till your computer shuts down completely. Now wait for a few more seconds, then press the power button once to reset it. The next solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So copy the command mentioned here. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Paste it here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting problems and fix it if possible. This is after you have booted it into your computer. The last solution will be to update graphics drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list of display adapters. You'll find all of these display drivers here. Right click on each one of them and select update driver. Updated the first one, second one updated the second one. I hope this was helpful, and if yes, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.